If you live next to heavy construction, traffic, and noise, the tree you want to consider is the green giant arborvitae. These are our green giants. Green giants can grow upwards to 3 feet a year, giving instant blockage for heavy noises from roads, railroads, apartment complexes, and other noisy entities that you may be living next to. The green giant, because it's fast growing, is cheap for the price of the tree. It's easy to install. It grows in zone 5 through 7. It grows well in Pennsylvania, New York, New Jersey areas, which we service on a regular basis. You can call us for green giants at 215-651-8329. We can ship them to you on our trucks or on tractor trailers. The green giant is a great tree. It can grow in a little bit of shade. It can grow under or near walnut trees. It can grow in somewhat wet, damp soils, not wetland soils, but it can be somewhat damp, and it seems to grow and thrive very well. It grows in clay. It grows in sand. This is a tree that likes to grow and is easy to grow. So if you want to grow some yourself and try and resell them, we also sell little liners and small rooted cuttings as well as big, large, fat, bald, and burlapped green giants. So give us a call at 215-651-8329 for green giant arborvitaes from Highland Hill Farm in Fountainville, PA. Thank you.